ready for our second voyage.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
I was actually having second thoughts about publishing this video because, to be honest about it, there is not a whole lot going on here. We are once again on the road with our new travel trailer in tow, going towards Wauchula, Florida, to stay at the Thousand Trails Peace River campground. However, the night does get interesting at around 10 p.m. when we get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, under a torrential rain, about 20 miles south of Lake Placid on US 27. Eventually, Geico comes to the rescue and we are once again on the pitch-black roads of this area of Florida, namely State Route 66. Eventually, we make it to civilization, sort of. About half a mile further to the north, we arrive at the campground. I managed to back up the trailer to one of the sites in the pitch-black stormy night. Very proud of myself. Good morning from the Thousand Trails Peace River campground. As you can see, the weather is not cooperating much this morning. It is summer in Florida after all. Let's have some breakfast. Yum, scrambled eggs with bacon and a much needed espresso. The reason we came to this particular campground was mainly because we got a free membership to Thousand Trails when we bought Mini Teeny. Yeah, that's what we called her, because she looks really tiny next to all the big rigs. The membership to Thousand Trails consisted of 60 nights a year in select campgrounds in the southeastern USA, and I don't think we are going to be using all the nights, to be honest. Also, this weekend there was supposed to be a new member appreciation event right here at the Peace River. More about that later. We enjoyed the pool a little bit, and the hot tub, even though it rains every once in a while and the bugs are everywhere.
Should we do it?
The weather improves somewhat, so let's take a stroll along the river. Enjoy a little bit the natural beauty this place has to offer. It looks a little bit like Estero River, where we stayed for our maiden voyage a couple of weeks ago. Same type of vegetation. They do have a mini golf, but it seems a little abandoned at this time of the year. In fact, the whole park is kind of deserted. We walk a little more despite the warnings about snakes and alligators, and enjoy some of the fauna and the flora of this place. Yep, the campground is very much empty at this time of the year. We are talking late September here. Most of the people staying here seem to be semi-permanent residents, many annual sites, most probably retired folks with their big fifth wheels. I wonder what these bugs are, crawling and even flying in tandem. They're all over the place. And the day comes to an end. We get treated to this beautiful sunset. And here's our minuscule trailer. We decide to go out. We hear there's a biker's bar nearby, but everything is deserted, so we call it a night.
We're leaving!
See what I told you? That's it. Not much to do or see here. More rain as we depart. It must be this time of the year. The new member appreciation event turned out to be a potluck. We got to meet some fellow RVers, but we felt a little awkward since we didn't know about the potluck and didn't bring anything. We did manage to fix the flat tire in the town of Wauchula, but there's no video of that, so forget about it. We also spent some time playing pool at the main building, and maybe we could have rented a canoe, but the weather didn't cooperate anyways. In general, it was a pretty relaxing weekend, but to be honest, it left me wanting more. We have lunch here at the nearby town of Arcadia, and then we drive south, non-stop. Eventually, we reach the outskirts of Hialeah, which is to the northwest of the Miami metropolitan area.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, because I'm free in my RV.